Hey everyone, thank you for being here. I just wanted to record a quick little video. It's going to be one of those funny videos, react videos, but it's also going to be an emotional one, okay? Thank you for being here. Thank you for getting me to 1,000 subs. I couldn't have done it without the help of all of you. You've been kind, you've been supportive, you've been more than I could ever ask for. I never thought that in 1,000 years we would ever hit 100 subs, nor did I ever think that we were going to hit 1,000 subs. So for that, I genuinely want to thank every single one of you. I have some videos I've been dying to record this week, so I'm going to record them right now, and then I'm going to post them. But tomorrow, we'll have a 1,000 sub special, and it'll be in the form of a live stream. We'll stream from noon all the way up to midnight, so we'll have a 12-hour special. With that, this is the part that really gets me. I've been fortunate enough to be able to get out of the hood with the support of all of you. It's meant a lot to get 1,000 subs, and because of that, I've been able to be successful and be able to be on my own. But I have a friend. We'll call him Ro for now. I have a friend that has not been fortunate. He's still in the hood, and it's very difficult for him. Last night, they just broke into his car. They broke his window, and they stole his car radio. So now every time he drives around, he needs to drive around with music playing from his phone speaker. So I told him, look, buddy, we're going to get to 10,000 subs. And when we do that, I'm going to create a college fund for you. I'm going to call it the Ro College Fund. So please, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit subscribe. It would really help out my buddy a lot. Okay? He's the one that makes the thumbnails for the videos that you're watching. So if you like that, please support, show your appreciation by, liking and subscribing and sharing it with your friends. All right, with that, let's come back to the funny. All right.
Jesse, wake up.
These were my parents when I was younger, but instead of the train, it was for the airport, for the plane. Wake up! And every morning, trying to get up to go to school. Hey, he just took a big spoon. Bruh. Yo! Me and my homies lost in Tokyo because there are no subtitles. Yo, there are no rules. We're lost.
No.
Oh man, science class. Yo, that's side-eye action. Look at that. Yo. Yeah, I do this sometimes. Car declines. Yo. That is savage. Yo, I did something like that when I was younger with like a mask and scared my little cousin, and my grandma beat me up for it because she was crying.
I don't believe you.
It was all a dream. I remember writing an essay, and my essay was about a dream I had, and I failed it. Wait. Let's go back. Yo. I relate to this. Every time my mom would invite like family over, friends, I would just go and hide in my room. I would just be like, okay. I would just like be like a hermit in my room.
Good, just loosen it. You can feel that there?
Oh no! Oh no! Yo, true. True. Oh! Let me know if your dogs looked over at your computer. Meow. 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 All right, sir.
Me knows 100%
Okay.
that me saw who and someone next to that guy, and now that guy is dead.
Do you guys remember
Who thinks who saw
Among Us?
me?
Who? You see them?
Who
You
saw
guys-
someone
you guys
and who saw
remember-
me, maybe?
Among Us?
Who not
Me
sure?
saw who?
No? Okay, we'll skip it.
Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to
Yo,
be.
true. Oh, very suspicious. Hey. You get it? He's watching himself eat and drink. Oh! That middle one's gonna fly. I bet the middle one's gonna fly. Is he gonna fly? Oh!
Hi, Peter.
Okay. That's my life. Yo, Spider-Man. Oh, Toby. Tobe. Ah, he looks upset there. Yo. All right.
I started this company.
Ooh. Oh. Yo. Who are these people? What was he gonna go do? Yo, what's wrong with these people? What are they doing? Yo, the neighbor's coming
Yeah,
through.
this guy right now, hurry up. Hold on, do it. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh.
Yeah, this guy right now, hurry up.
Why'd he
Hold
do it
on,
like
do
that?
it. Yeah. Oh my
Don't do it
god.
that hard. Oh.
Hey kid, want some candy?
Yo, he stole it. Oh, no, that's so sad. We for real stuck, bro. I always wondered what animals thought, like,
Look at me, I'm playing Apex Legends.
hey, wow.
I'm gonna win. Ah,
Dog,
I won.
we're gonna play Apex Legends today.
Clip that.
What's your favorite type of donut?
What? Shit, my favorite shit, man. I like that shit. That shit kind of hard.
Made me appreciate white
Yo, he was playing Mario Kart in the
because only
background.
They think of stupid shit like this.
What are they looking at?
Oh, you sure? Oh, thanks, mate.
Pog! Yo, nobody saw that? Nobody saw that?
3 cheese pizzas in a row, it could kill you.
No,